Hey everybody, how's it going? So we got a quick accessory and tool haul from Cal Ranch Supply. So please stick around, check out the video, and I'll see you guys there. Thank you for watching. Hey everybody, so this is my haul and pickup from Cal Ranch. Store. There's only 2 in Arizona, and I don't think there's very many in the country to begin with. It's similar to Tractor Supply. You guys have probably, if you watch my channel, you've probably seen some videos on their store before. So these are the items that I picked up. Says on the bag, a ranch and home store, and so much more. Visit one of our retail stores: Idaho, Utah, Nevada, and Arizona. There's only 2 in Arizona. One's in Casa Grande, which is closest to me. The other one I think is in like Flagstaff or Prescott or something like that. Idaho and Utah and Nevada, so it's basically a out west store. You can also buy from them online. So I picked up 4 Milwaukee items. This is a 1/4-inch universal quick lock adapter. Quick, you can actually slide it down. It's similar to the Bosch ones I have, like this one. Alright, wait, get it out of the slot. So similar to this style, where you can slide the collet down to remove the bit. This is a Bosch Daredevil version, and here is the 1/4-inch, just 12-inch long magnetic. It's not a quick lock. You can't, it doesn't lock the bits in. This one just magnetic, and it just holds the bits in. And we can compare real quick. And then I got the 6-inch version, and I got the 12-inch version. It was the last 2 that they had. 1/4-inch quick lock 12-inch version is part number 48-28-1020, and the 6-inch version part number is 48-28-1010. So it's 110, and this one's 120. And then I also got this quick change impact adapter, 1/4-inch, 6.4 millimeters to 1/2-inch, 12.7 millimeters. So it's a 1/2-inch square anvil to 1/4-inch bit. I also have another one of those. Yep. I have the 3/8 model. So if we open this one up real quick, this one's the 3/8 model, this one's the 1/2-inch model. Same size. It says 3/8 to 1/4-inch, this one says 1/2-inch to 1/4-inch. It looks like the 1/2-inch to 1/4-inch might be a little pointier, but so I picked up the 1/2-inch, and I already had the 3/8. But just an example. Locks in, and this is just a universal swivel. This is a Black & Decker 1/4-inch swivel. I use this a lot. I have several of these, and then it locks into place. But it's for this, so you can lock the bit in, and then you could put it on as an example, because I have an impact here. I'll just use the 3/8 that I already had. So you can slide it in, lock it in, and then if you want, you could actually put it on an impact, an actual impact wrench instead of a 1/4" impact driver. So that's what that's for. I already had the 3/8. You just slide it out. Works well. It locks. It keeps them from coming out. 1/2" model is the one I just picked up. Same thing. So I'm gonna put the 3/8 back in the drawer. And I already removed it. This one is, put it back in the 1/4" to 1/2". It is part number 48-03-4410. I also picked up this Easy Load trimmer head for Milwaukee. It's 49-16-2714. The reason I picked this up was it was the only one at Cal Ranch that had 2 of these lockout bars. And for an example, I have the Stihl combi system. These are the lockout bars for the Stihl combi system. The problem is they don't work on the Milwaukee quick lock head, which is this guy right here. Same exact head, this head right here. You can see that it's been used right here. It's definitely been used. But the way these work is there's a pin right here that you have to put this metal rod like this in. I kind of wish that I got all the attachments and everything. I kind of wish it would have came with one of these adjustable lockout bars. But you slide the bar into this hole and it locks this sleeve right here from spinning, so you can take the head off. And if you look, a line, wind, a line, wind. So it's the exact same head. But the only reason I paid the $30 for this was because I wanted the 2 lockout bars. So you can actually, that bar helps you take these heads off. Instead of using like a screwdriver or something like that, really tiny screwdriver. But that was the reason I picked that up, and because first time I used it, I scratched the crap out of it. So it's not going to hurt to have an extra head anyways. This is the way I look at it. And then I picked up some Stihl wood cutting bar and saw chain lubricant to use in the quick lock, Milwaukee quick lock pull saw, as well as the Stihl pull saw for the combi system. That's what I picked this up for, as well as I needed some more for my 24" bar chainsaw. So, and we'll just open these real quick. It says 305 millimeters for this one. That's how long it is, 12 inches. Get that one out. Move it aside. Same with this one. I'll pop this one out. Right there. Take this one back out. 1/2" model. And then I grabbed 6 of these caps. These are actually for the combi system. The combi system's just like this. It's just made by Stihl, and these caps go on the end of the rods like that to protect the 2 holes, the shaft hole and the lockout hole. And it just happened that I already took them out of the box because they were filled with oil and they were leaking on in my truck. They weren't full of oil, they had some oil in them. Kind of smells like a mix between diff fluid and bar oil for some reason. But I grabbed 6 of these. These caps, usually you get them free with your Stihl combi system attachments, but they just happen to be selling them, and I picked them up. I got 6 of them for like $2. So I grabbed these because I'm going to be putting these on all the Milwaukees. All of these. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So I'll have an extra one for one of my Stihl combi attachments. So, but I'm not going to take this one out of the box right now. It says for use with Milwaukee M18 fuel string trimmers 2725-20. Mine is 2825-20, I believe. Let's see. 2825-20 ST. So the thing is from what I found out, Milwaukee's been using this head on all of their string trimmers. The 2725 was just the non-quick lock edition. It didn't have the attachments. It was just a weed eater, you know, a solid weed eater, no attachment system. The 2825 is just the quick lock model that comes with the availability of using separate attachments where you have a power head and you remove the attachments. It also comes with 25 feet of 0.80 line, you know, which I don't usually use 80. 80 is not thick enough for what I need, but you know, hey, it's free line. Accepts up to 0.95. I usually use 9.5. I'm sure the holes on the side of this are thick enough. You could probably use 0.10 line or 0.100 inch line. So it'll be a 1 inch line, I'd assume. This is 0.95 of an inch. But I appreciate you guys watching. Just a small little haul. These are the items I picked up. You know, and these little caps for, you know, $2 for 6 of them is not bad. Especially since I didn't need them for my combi system. I needed them for my Milwaukee quick lock stuff. But, you know, I appreciate you guys watching. Please like, comment, subscribe. Hit the bell notification icon for future updates. Go check out my Amazon affiliate links, my Acme Tools affiliate links, as well as my DJI Electronics affiliate links down in the description below. Smoosh that like button, smoosh the bell notification icon, and I'll see you guys on the next video. Thank you so much for stopping by. Peace!